How to make an AI art using Midjourney for beginners. So we are going to use Midjourney. So simply search for Midjourney AI in any browser that you are using. Once you search for this, you just need to click on the sign in or join the beta. Once you click on this will going to take you to the Discord server where you just need to join, and the next step will going to be clicking on any one of these newbies, and what you need to do is to simply type imagine. Once you type imagine, you just need to click on the first one, and now you just need to enter the prompt just like in the given examples you can see. And if you want to take any inspiration, you can also use that, but for now I will simply type this particular cyberpunk prompt. And after that, what you need to do is to type hyper realistic, because if you want to go with the hyper realistic or the most realistic images just like this one, you want to type this particular prompt, and then you need to type 4K and then type hyphen and v4. And as for the aspect ratio, I will go with 2:3, just like that. For instance, if I show you, this is how the 2:3 image will going to look like, which is good for Pinterest images and videos aspect ratio. So simply now hit enter. But unfortunately right now Midjourney is only paid version. It was free once, but now it is paid. You need to pay a price to be unable to generate all kind of images of your choice. But this is how you can enter the prompt and use Midjourney. And if you want to download any one of these images, you just need to click on the save image and you're good to go. So that's the way of how you can generate an AI art for beginners.